I myself Mumbai. I had done a diploma in mechanical engineering and I want to upgrade my skills. So I joined the Parametric solution in which they provide the different types of the courses. But I have chosen an MEP course in which my faculty member was very cooperative and they have taught me industrial experience which I am going. Actually, there are mainly three topics are there like HVAC, electrical and plumbing. In HVAC, they have taught me about the VRF systems, VRV systems, and different types of the chiller systems and DX systems. In plumbing, they have taught me how to calculate the water demand calculation for any residential and commercial building. In electrical, they have taught me how to calculate the demand of an electricity for a residential tower or any commercial tower. uh, the faculty members in the parametric solutions are very cooperative and the course is very useful. You can achieve the industrial experience over there and easily you can get any job oriented from this. Thank you.